Hey guys, कैसे हो? Welcome back to our channel where we explore the most incredible destinations with a tasty twist. Today, get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to the stunning land of Norway, a place where Mother Nature's beauty and modern wonders come together in a perfect harmony. Let's dive into the magical world of Norway and bring all over. Picture this. Majestic mountain, crystal clear waters, and a breathtaking landscape. ये है नॉर्वे के fjords. These natural masterpieces will leave you speechless. Well, sail through the iconic Garen Fjord, feeling the cool breeze and witnessing cascading waterfalls. Trust me, it's like living in a dream. चलो अब बात करते हैं Northern Lights. The celestial dance of color in the Arctic sky. Norway is one of the best places to witness this magical phenomenon. Imagine standing under the shimmering light, feeling the aura's cosmic energy. It's an experience that's out of this world, quite literally. If you love adventure, Norway is your playground. From husky sledding to snowboarding and even ice climbing. You can live out all your frozen fantasies here. एकदम Elsa or Anna style. Don't forget to try skiing, Norway's favorite sport. Who knows, maybe you will become the next winter sport champion. Wait. Norway is not all about nature. It's also a hub of modern architecture and engineering wonders. Witness the gravity-defying tall Strigen Road, the futuristic Oslo Opera House, and the innovative underwater restaurant. ये है ना एकदम unique and awe-inspiring. Just like our last video on Denmark, Norway also embraces hygge, the cozy and content way of living. Unwind with a hot cup of coffee, wrap up in the blanket and bask in the warm glow of fireplace. Feel the true essence of happiness and relaxation, the Norwegian way. Summers in Norway are pure magic. Witness the midnight sun when the sun doesn't set and the country is bathed in golden glow of perpetual daylight. ये है ना एकदम दिल चाहता है मोमेंट. Life feels like one never-ending adventure. अरे वाह, Norway, a place where natures meet modern marvels, the fjords, the northern lights, and the Arctic adventure. Every moment in Norway is like a scene from a blockbuster movie. If you love this virtual tour, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more trending travel exploration. अगर आपको और भी किसी देश की यात्रा करनी है तो कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताएं. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming and keep spreading the DC vibes. धन्यवाद and अलविदा.